Good everyone. Mazezoka is my name. As you all know, today the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, the former governor of Anambra State, visited Oyo State, where he met with Governor Seyi Makinde.
Welcome, sir.
You're welcome, sir. Good morning, sir. Excellency, sir. Excellency, sir. You're welcome, sir. Aisha, you, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, how are you?
Aisha, you, sir. Dele, Farotimi. Good morning. Yeah, Aisha, you, sir. Dele, Farotimi.
There is something that happened in that video that is very remarkable. Governor Seyi Makinde, obviously, in that video, said that the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, who pushed and wangled himself into office, Chief Bola Tinubu, has not bothered to visit them since the incident happened.
The president called me. You have three musketeers that went for that election. The president has reached out to me. You have reached out to me. But my own party candidate, not even a call or a text message. I mean, I'm saying it openly so that our leaders will know that you have time for politics, you have time for governance, and you have time for humanity. We want to say thank you so much, sir. We appreciate this visit.
Which incident are we talking about? Recall that earlier in the month, we all woke up one day to see some part of Oyo being leveled down. There was a bomb blast caused by where illegal miners stored their dynamite. Led to that devastating effect.
At about 7:44 p.m. last night, the 16th of January 2024, there was an explosion at the Bodija area of Ibadan, resulting in multiple injuries and several deaths. According to the Oyo State government, in total, 77 injured victims have been treated in hospitals across Ibadan, with 2 fatalities recorded. Visiting the scene of the explosion last night, Oyo State Governor Seyi Makinde said preliminary investigations have revealed that the blast was a result of the activities of illegal miners who stored explosives in a house they occupied at the Bodija area of Ibadan.
P2B visited them, but here we are, a president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is in France to do what? Well, they say it's a private visit, but I can tell you free of charge, it is a medical mission. A president who governed Lagos for 8 years, but did not build a medical facility fit for purpose that he can use. The same way we lambasted Buhari, a man who was sick for 8 years, but never saw any hospital fit for purpose to use in Nigeria. He's the one that took over from him is working in that trajectory. Look at this video. Credit to Aisha Yusufu, who was with P2B, and Dele Farotimi gave this clip to us. Again, people, if you haven't subscribed to this platform, please, by all means, click the like button, share, and subscribe. This is a platform where we explore the truth behind the headlines.
Thank His Excellency Peter Gregory Obi, former governor of Anambra State, and also the presidential candidate of Labour Party in the last presidential election. I thank you because politics didn't seep into this. You came here to commiserate with us over the explosion. Actually, Though investigation into the details are still going on, it was simply illegal miners storing explosives in an environment where they shouldn't be. It's a place where it's meant, for people to live in. It's not a mining site. So all the lapses that allow such to happen have been looked into. I'm particularly grateful because the president called me. You are three musketeers that went for that election. The president has reached out to me. You have reached out to me. But my own party candidate, not even a call or a text message. I mean, I'm saying it openly so that our leaders will know that you have time for politics, you have time for governance, and you have time for humanity. We want to say thank you so much, sir, and we appreciate this visit. So thank you. Thank you.
Fellow Nigerians, you have watched it. All we want and all we demand as Nigerians is that we have leaders that are empathetic to our cries, that we have leaders who can show empathy, that we have leaders that can actually show that their concerns. In the Middle Belt, in the last couple of weeks, since January, there is no single day that there is no killing. What are our leaders doing? Has the president ever bothered to visit any of those areas? We have security chiefs. We hear stories of villages, towns being ransacked. Yet, those that have wangled and pushed their way into saying that they are the leaders are doing absolutely nothing. We cannot stop talking. We must keep lending our voices to say that this mess and this madness must stop. Accountable leadership is all we demand for. It is not too much to ask. We are human and we are of the human family. We are going to keep demanding that our leaders do right and just to all of us, irrespective of tribe and irrespective of state of origin. Nigeria is a nation that we must demand that the right thing be done. And I am.
La la la